Welcome back to the channel. Today, we have something truly special, this stunning, blacked-out Mazda 3, a car that perfectly blends style, sportiness, and premium design. If you're a fan of sleek sedans with aggressive aesthetics, you're going to love this one. Just look at that glossy black paint. Under the city lights, it reflects beautifully, giving the car an almost mirror-like finish. Mazda has always been known for its elegant yet bold designs, and this Mazda 3 is no exception. The smooth curves and sharp lines make it stand out, whether parked or in motion. Moving to the front, the signature Mazda grille, finished in gloss black, gives the car a dominating presence. The slim LED headlights add to its aggressive appeal, seamlessly integrating with the sculpted hood. The front bumper is sporty yet sophisticated, making this sedan look more premium than ever. Coming to the side profile, this Mazda 3 sits on large, multi-spoke black alloy wheels that match perfectly with the overall theme. The low stance and coupe-like roofline give it a dynamic look, almost as if it's in motion even when standing still. The chrome trim around the windows adds just the right touch of elegance without taking away from its sporty character. Now, let's talk about the rear. The taillights are one of the most striking elements of this car. The circular LED design, glowing red, gives it a futuristic and eye-catching appeal. Paired with the sculpted trunk and subtle lip spoiler, the rear of this car is just as impressive as the front. And of course, there's the dual exhaust setup, adding that sporty touch while hinting at the performance beneath the hood. Though this video focuses on the exterior, we can't ignore the fact that the Mazda 3 offers an equally premium interior. Soft touch materials, a driver-focused cockpit, and an infotainment system that seamlessly integrates with your daily drives make it one of the best in its class. Mazda has truly created a sedan that appeals to both enthusiasts and those looking for a stylish daily driver. It's not just about the looks, this car also delivers an engaging driving experience, thanks to its well-tuned suspension and precise steering. Whether cruising through the city or hitting the highway, the Mazda 3 ensures a smooth yet exciting ride. So, what do you think about this blacked-out Mazda 3? Is it one of the best-looking sedans in its class? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this cinematic showcase, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more car content, and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. See you in the next one.